If you're dealing with cracked putty, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to effectively repair it and restore a smooth, flawless finish. Using 120 grit sandpaper, sand the damaged area and brush the dust off. Put some masking tape and leave about a 1 mm gap between the putty and tape. I am using low-tack tape on most projects. Mix some wood filler. How to mix wood filler. You can see it in video number 3 on my channel, or see the link in the description. Apply wood filler with the filling knives, and then spread it with your finger as shown. Remove the masking tape immediately after applying the filler. Let the filler dry for about 10 to 15 minutes before sanding with 120 grit sandpaper.